Hello everybody and welcome to Toys You Can Make Out of Stationery. I have quite a few to show you, so I think we should just begin. Let's go. This first one's quite simple. It's called Tabletop Golf. You'll need a raised surface, a pen or pencil, a little small rubber or pins I've got, sharpener, and lots of other stationery instruments. Oh, and a glue stick as well. So get your raised surface and put your glue stick with the twisty part at the end at the edge of the raised surface, so it's flat almost, and put two things in between to stop the glue stick from rolling around. Then get your other pen and pencil. This will be the golf stick, and your little pin will be the ball. And it's quite straightforward. You've got to hit the ball with the golf stick into the glue stick, which will be the hole. As you can see, it can be quite hard, but it can also be quite easy, and that's the fun part. There you go. It is possible. Here are some other things you can make, like a simple thing, a little path, a little raised platform you have to go up, complete craziness, and a wall. This was quite fun to build, and it's also really easy. You'll need a glue stick and a load of pens. Let's go. So basically, you just got to be a bit repetitive with this one and have patience, because it can fall down a lot. So patience is the key for this one. So all you've got to do is arrange the pens and pencils into sort of a hashtag shape and just keep building that up until it's quite high. What's your favourite colour? Tell me in the comments what your favourite colour is. Got quite a lot of subscribers recently. I don't know why. I just suddenly boosted in numbers. I was on 47 and the next day I'm on 62. What? Keep on building them up. It'll take a while, but it's worth it, because it is good when it's done. So keep building it. Yeah. And then put the glue stick in the middle. Now, I didn't build enough high enough, so I just built some more off camera. Here we go. Now, you're going to need some rulers. I forgot to mention this at the start. And you're just going to put the rulers on the top over the pens, pencils and glue stick. Now, I thought I only needed 1 or 2 rulers. Turns out, no, I needed 3. Luckily I had 3. It's good enough, I guess. You see what I'm trying to do? It's like a prison for the glue stick, and it looks quite cool. For this one, you're going to need 2 towers that you made. I've made 2 out of Sharpies, 2 little pen prisons. Although you're going to want 1 on the top and not 2, so just take 1 off. Oh, and you also want to put them at a sort of a slight slanted angle, so I've put them on this raised surface. You're also going to need a pen or 2. And you want to get a friend for this. I can't really do it as one, because you're supposed to set both pens at the same time on both towers, and you see how far they get. As you can see, they're on a slanted angle, so it would roll off. And they do roll off, and you're supposed to basically race, see how far your pen gets. So one person would do one, and the other person would do the other tower. It's quite fun, but it's not fun on your own, so don't play it on your own, I guess. Here's some demonstrations. It's fun. Maybe if I move this down a bit, it'll roll a bit better. Because it did work better earlier when I was testing this out, getting ready for the video. You know what I'm saying? This one's simple, but can be really fun. You'll need a pencil case that has a zip at the top or anywhere else, a glue stick, hence the name, and a pin or something small like a rubber, like the for the golf. So what you want to do, see the zip, you want to zip it a bit open and just measure it with the glue stick. Make sure the glue stick would fit inside, and you want to put the glue stick inside the little hole you've made. Make sure it is at the twisty end like in the golf. Pop it in, zip it up. This is going to be the net, as in if it was basketball, because it sort of is, I guess. But it's one person. And then you put that back at the back somewhere. Take your pin or some small little thing and toss it in. There we go. See, it's quite easy, but it's also quite challenging, and therefore it's fun. Do it again. Okay. Here's a compilation of getting it in. Boom. There's another one. Oh, I'm so good at this. This is definitely not fake. I definitely have not put the same video together. It's me doing lots of them. This is a fun game. But it does look a bit suspicious sometimes. This is one of my favourites. It's so much fun and it's easy to make. All you need is a calculator that slides, so it has a sliding case like this one, so it connects and it slides in. Yeah, you also need pen or pencil, whatever you want it to do, a paper clip, and obviously a piece of paper. So you want to get your piece of paper first. You want to fold it in half, that way, and just watch the video. Then you want to fold it, no, not that way, sorry. I'm fold it the other way. I'm doing the audio after. I'm literally just watching the video and then saying what I think should go there. So do the paper, fold it again until it's about that size. That's good size. And then you want to get scissors. Yes, I forgot scissors. Luckily I have these mini ones. Snip, snip. And you want to cut that in half. You basically want to get all those little sheets, but you don't want any connected. It's alright if you have one or two, because it's alright, just put them at the back. But you want you have loads of little sheets about that size. And snip, snip, snip. As I was saying, I really don't know how I got so many subscribers in such a short amount of time. I mean, why? I didn't think many people were interested in geocaching, and that's my latest video. Bit strange, if I do say so myself. Comment if you want a shout out. That's what YouTubers do, right? That's how they get more subscribers, right? They give shout outs. I'll do that. Next video. First comment gets a shout out. There you go. And I'll reply to them because I'm nice. Okay, once you've got all your sheets of paper, stick them together. You don't stick them together, but you put them together. Yeah, and cut that. Snip, snip. These scissors are tiny and they actually hurt my fingers. I don't like them. Okay, put your sheets together so they're all together, and you want to get your paper clip and you want to paper clip them all together like this. Yeah, it's done. Woohoo! And now you want to measure them, so see if they fit in the bottom of the calculator lid. So they don't, so I'm going to need to cut them a bit. So get the scissors again, I'm going to cut the edges off a bit so they would fit into the calculator. Trust me, this is a really fun one. I really like this. It's also really easy to do in, say you're at school. You can just say you're in a maths class. When you'll find out why it's so good in a minute. But it's really good. If you're the arty type like me and you just want to do some drawing, but no, you have to You have to do fractions, and you have to add percentages and find the area of trapeziums. Oh my god, I don't like maths that much. It's just too complex for me. Okay, it should fit now. There you go. Fits in. Slide it in. And then, so make sure that it stays in there, doesn't just fall out. And then with the rest of the slider, you want to pop your calculator over it. So there's no notepad. You can't see the notepad from the outside. So add in a random sum. So say if you're at school and your maths teacher's around, just act like you're on the calculator. This looks like a maths sum. There you go. And then when you want to have a draw, you can either take off the whole calculator, which I don't recommend because it's a bit obvious. Take off the whole calculator, draw a little picture, or write something, whatever you want to do. Write a fan fiction if you want. Don't have that many pages, I don't think. Whatever. And then you slide it back on. Or, if you want to be even sneakier, just lift it a little bit. So when the teacher comes, after you've done a little bit of drawing or writing, drawing anything you want, or a little fursuit base, or if that's what you want to draw, you just slide it back on, and your teacher won't notice a thing. Haha! Maths. Please remember to subscribe and leave a like. Now, I'm not one of those pushy YouTubers that usually says that at the end of the video, like, leave a like now, or subscribe and win a gift card. I'm not pushy like that. But just, if you want to subscribe, and if you want to like, if you want to comment, I love comments. I love comments. I love to read comments. They're my favourite thing to do. And remember, first comment gets a shout out. Yeah. Goodbye. That's the end now. Goodbye.